Hey, this is Morgan, and in this video I'm going to share with you 7 neck stretches for a stiff neck. Knots and kinks and cricks are unavoidable if you're plugging away at your computer all day with your head forward and your shoulders rounded, and this can ultimately lead to a stiff neck. So the following 7 neck stretches are very effective in just creating more mobility and preventing a stiff neck from ruining your day or week. So the first move is a traditional chin tuck, which I've been showing in a lot of videos. So this really helps to bring your neck more into a more neutral position. So you take your 2 fingers and you press underneath your lip, right on your chin, and you push it back for 3 to 5 seconds. Repeat it 10 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to be like looking straight ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, a little more advanced technique is to take a resistance band. So this is a very light resistance band, and you place it right behind the back of your head like this, and you create tension. Okay? And then what you do, if you're standing in front of a mirror, you can place your hands on the mirror, on the sides of the mirror, and then look back. You kind of look at yourself as you're doing it. It's a lot easier that way. But here, just as easy. Create the tension, and then you just do the chin tuck. So you can do this for a couple, maybe the typical number of sets when you're doing a resistance band training. So you can do it like 8 to 12 times, 3 sets. So we'll do 1 set 10 times, okay? So you want to hold it for about 3 seconds, all right? It can get caught in your hair, but that's all right. Okay, now we're going to resume the neck stretches. So next up is a neck extension and then rotation. So start with the chin tuck, neck extension, rotation. All right? So you're going to do that about 10 times, all right? So extension, rotate left, right, back to neutral. Now you can just continue the rotation and extension instead of coming back to neutral, but I like to kind of come back occasionally. It's really your prerogative. And you might be hearing crunching in your neck. That just means you're getting old. Just kidding. But actually, it's very common, as you get older, that you lose sort of that joint fluid in your neck. You just want to keep movement. All right, you want to just keep moving. Don't give up. Don't become a couch potato. All right. So after the neck extension and rotation, you want to do a neck flexion. So you're going to interlock your fingers behind your head. Bring your chin to your chest. Inhale. Exhale, chin to chest. 10 to 20 repetitions. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to make a lot of noise when I breathe out, so don't be afraid to breathe out and make noise. All right, inhale in through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Let's just say that's 6. I haven't count. I forgot to count. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now make sure there's no one in front of you because you don't want to be spitting or breathing on anyone at this time right now. So then we're going to do, so we've done chin tuck, we've done neck extension, neck flexion, neck rotation. Actually is the next one. That's number 4. So you're just going to look over your left shoulder. So inhale. You can do this 10 times, and then you do it on the opposite side. We're just doing about 1 to 2 seconds movement of the stretch. Now repeat on the opposite side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to take it farther this time. So as we turn our stretch, we're going to just bring a little bit of a little added stretch, okay? So you can actually take your hand. So we're not trying to adjust our neck, but I can't tell you. Some people actually might have a little bit of an adjustment. So my hands like this, back of the head, and you're moving it. Just a little bit of a stretch. You're not trying to twist your head off, okay? Just about 1 to 2 seconds. Exhale. See? Okay. So it works better if your hands like this, kind of right underneath your chin. Exhale. Kind of look behind, try to look behind you as if there's a pot of gold right behind you, okay? And you gotta see it. Or you're looking in the back seat to see if you have a winning lottery ticket. You never know. All right, now we're gonna do ear to shoulder. That's move number 5. Is ear to shoulder. 2 seconds, 10 times. Reach that hand down, okay? Down like this. Toward your knee. And this whole time you're doing this, I want you to sort of meditate on the thought, all right? Stiff neck be gone. Stiff neck be gone. Stiff neck be gone. Just kind of let that vibrate through your head, all right? Just going to use the power of the law of attraction. You know, attract a pain-free neck, full range of motion, okay? Let that tightness in the stiff neck, those knots and kinks and cricks, just get out of you, all right? Just imagine them just disappearing. All right, now we do the other side. Push down, anchor. Imagine you're holding an anchor. You're going straight down. Keep your bodies upright. And hand right above the ear. Down. Ear to shoulder. 10 times. Hold for about 2 seconds. Okay. Number 6 is a levator scapula. So that's the muscle at the top of the shoulder, all right? Helps to elevate the shoulder. So this is like this. You turn your nose toward the opposite knee, have your hand behind your head like this, and look down. So first you want to kind of maintain like a chin tuck. Inhale, exhale, look down to the opposite knee, and this opposite arm goes right behind your back like this. Two seconds, 10 times. If you want, you can just kind of place your hand in your back pocket, opposite back pocket. Oh, I can feel it right here. Okay, other side. I don't have a back pocket, so I'm just going to place it like this. Hand over the ear. Actually, we're doing levator, so it's like this. So I'm pointing this nose to the opposite knee. Inhale, exhale. Excellent. All right, the last move. So you take a towel. This is a towel stretch. Take a towel, this nice green towel. All right. Fold it around like this. Place it right behind the head. All right. So you want to right underneath the occiput, right in the base of the skull. Create this tension here. Right. So then you're going to pull it up. You're actually pull a little bit forward like this. And you're going to raise your head up a little bit. But you want to create this tension right here. And you're going to raise your head up. Take 2 breaths. Okay, now you're going to raise up your head a little bit more. But maintain this tension. All right? And you're going to take 5 breaths. So you're looking up. Three, 4, 5. All right. That was the 7 neck stretches for stiff neck. All right. So you can try this, once or twice a day, and send me write a comment in the video below to tell me, how this feels. If you're actually able to get some really good results, because I personally have, and I hope you will too. All right. Take care.